19, we have a chart on a Google. It's a 3 minute. It's our market maker application. We own the platform. It's a high frequency trading app. The diamonds that you see on the candles are tracking the algos that are used in the exchanges and how breakouts happen and how to identify them and how to let the application work for you. Upon heavy request, we are going to explain how these diamonds, when they pop up in value like that, that means that that is the algorithm that's being used in the exchange model and whatnot. So by identifying how these prices are going to do that, then in your turbo option trading, your call options would be breaking higher in price and going up, and it would not tell you to come out. So, lesson A, break out what the diamonds represent, how strong the move will be, what the gauges mean as to relative strength, as to what the stock price and the option price are talking to each other, and the option price on the call side of the market goes up when these diamonds pop up, and it would never tell you to sell out either. So it does all the work for you and whatnot. So making the decision process is done here with our Panther app, high frequency, algorithmic, or algos, or machines, whatever you want, what kind of topic you want to put on it. Once again, identifying how to use the app along with your options trading. In this case, we do know one thing for sure, beyond a reasonable doubt, that when the diamonds are popping like that, the call side of the option value is going up in value automatically, no matter what, just like you see here, and up to the top. So once again, we'll update this again based on request, with high request of people. This is your video here to let you know what you have now and how it's going to work for you when you are buying your call options, and what the app here, Panther. We own the charts. They're better than your big firms and their charts and whatnot, and it does everything mathematically. So, and you can see that when applying your options trading, and if you get started right away, this is what you're going to have, and it's going to tell you how long to stay in your call options when you're in that trade, and what that stock price means, and how the app that we built over a long period of time had developed into the algo model that we started building these things over 10 years ago. And you can see how the diamonds are bid popping in these candlesticks right here. You'll never find this nowhere else. So when you're trading the call options and they get up here, instead of getting shaken out of your call options, there was still some more room in the price, and it's pure mathematics, and it doesn't lie. So knowing when and how long to stay in is always going to be your biggest reward in trading options and using the platform. So once again, to all of our followers and our traders, you can see how these diamonds and consolidations, knowing how long to stay in your option trade, whether it's a call option or a put option, and everything is done mathematically. Go ahead and sign up for the free 5-day trial. See it live.